There's multiple things that could explode. Anything from gas and batteries to propane cylinders.
What's happening on the coke? Traffic's slowing down.
Gonna be slow going.
6 miles south of Merritt, BC.
Yep, definitely crawling. There's a truck on the south side. He's on fire. On fire? Oh.
A burning big rig has the coke lit up.
The cab and the motor is all gone.
First on site is Reliable Towing's Roland Lavallée.
I'm trying to get the resources that we need to do an efficient cleanup on this.
The flames in the cab threaten to spread.
From the sleeper forward is gone. We're hoping that it doesn't get into the trailer. We could probably separate it while it's burning. Oh, let's get out of this smoke.
Burners linger pretty good, so.
Just up the road, in the 30-ton Black Sheep,
Hopefully the trailer hasn't burnt. That's going to be a hell of a mess to deal with.
operator James Luke is on his way.
We got to make sure that we're all on our A game.
The truck fire is just outside city boundaries.
Yeah, 500 meters out of the fire protection area.
The Reliable crew are on their own.
Fire trucks don't go out past a certain point. And we are here.
James quickly discovers
Oh, great.
the tractor is full of fuel. And the trailer is packed with scrap auto parts.
There's multiple things that could explode. Anything from gas and batteries to propane cylinders.
With no time to waste,
We're gonna go in
Yep.
and hook onto it.
the Reliable crew will disconnect the tractor.
It should be cool enough that you don't ignite.
But the wreck could flare up at any moment.
It is very sketchy. So we need to get it away from the trailer as fast as we can.
As James starts to pull ahead,
Oh my Lord. This is a problem.
Watch full episodes on the Weather Channel and the Weather Channel TV app.